Want to make publishing translated videos to YouTube as easy as one click? With Translate.Video, you can connect your YouTube account and post directly, right from your dashboard. No more downloading files, switching between tabs, or uploading manually. Just translate and share. Let's walk through how to connect your YouTube account in under a minute. Start by logging into your Translate.Video account. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile icon. This opens your account settings. Scroll down until you reach the Add to Social Media section. Here's where you can link your platforms. Now, click on the YouTube icon. A new window will pop up prompting you to sign in with your YouTube account. Choose the Google account linked to your YouTube channel. Carefully follow the on-screen steps and confirm the requested permissions. To enable direct publishing, you'll need to grant access to Vitra.ai, the smart engine behind Translate.Video's publishing tools. Just click Allow to proceed. Once that's done, you're connected. You'll see your YouTube profile picture appear on your Translate.Video dashboard, a confirmation that everything is set up.
Now, let's take the next step, how to publish your translated videos directly to YouTube with just one click. This direct publishing flow saves time, eliminates extra steps, and helps you share localized content with your audience faster than ever. Let's get started. First, click on the drag and drop area to upload your video. You can also select a file from your device. Next, choose your source language, your target language, and pick the voice you want for your translated video. Once you're ready, click the Translate button. Your video is now moving to the in-process page. Sit tight. Translate.Video is generating your localized version. When the processing is complete, you'll be taken to the editor page. Here, you can fine-tune subtitles, tweak voiceovers, or adjust timing as needed. Once you're happy with your edits, click Export. Select your preferred video resolution and the language version you want to export. Once your video is ready, go to the upper right corner and click the Share icon. From the sharing options, click on Publish to YouTube. Enter your caption, and when everything's set, hit the Publish button.